Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to get a haircut. So I'm actually really nervous. I don't know how the result's gonna be. Okay, the hairstyle that I'm gonna go for is they call it like the wolf haircut, or some people would call it the shaggy haircut. I don't know actually what is it called, but it looks something like this or like this. So this hairstyle is pretty short. I'm kind of wondering if it's gonna be great, if the cutting is exactly how it's gonna look like, or maybe if it's going to look like how I imagine it would look like on me. That's kind of the reason why I'm kind of nervous. So today I'll be cutting my hair at number 76 at lot 10 Kuala Lumpur. So there are like some people who go to salon every month to cut their hair, and they go to like really expensive and premium salon, and I actually never do that. I did that when I was like small, when I was like I think like 12 years old, 12 to 13 years old. I went to salon. So anyway, I'll be filming a little bit of the process when they're cutting my hair, but absolutely not the entire process. I don't really know if they will allow me to film, if they'll allow me to record anything, and so I kind of just try not to, you know, like bother people's privacy, if that makes sense. So I've done the cutting and this is how it looks like. Actually the cutting is nice, just that the styling is a bit curly, so it's okay. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have arrived home, and this is basically how the hair looks like. It's pretty short, I know. I did show him the reference that I wanted. He also see like my face shape and everything, and adjust the length from there. So it's definitely not as like exactly the same as the picture, but it does have a lot of similarities, and it does like suit me. Honestly, I like it a lot. I don't think I can style like this anymore. Like he's like so, I don't know, so professional and like so good at styling, but for me I'm like newbies and stuff, you know. So this is how it looks like when it's styled, and I'm going to wash my hair and show you guys how it looks like when there is no styling at all. And I'll also talk about the number 76 salon and how does it feel like to have my hair cut there. Hey guys, so I have washed my hair, and this is kind of how it looks like after I washed it and just blow dry it. So when I dry it with the, you know, the hair dryer, I didn't actually like do any kind of styling at all. I basically just leave it and like dry it like that. So yeah, this is kind of how it looks like. And like I said, even in the styling version I love it, but for this one I feel like I love it even more. I don't know why, maybe because it's like less curly than just now, so maybe that's the reason why I kind of like this hairstyle a lot, even with or without any styling at all. So first of all, I'm already loving how easy it is to wash it. Like literally like every time, you know, when I have like long hair, I need to like pump the shampoo like 3 to 4 times, and for this hair I only need to pump like twice, and that's all. I don't need to pump anymore. And then when I dry it out, it's also so much faster and easier. Like literally it's so easy. Like honestly, I feel like I mean, I like both hairstyles, to be honest. I like long hair, I like short hair, but I feel like now I'm like keen towards more short hair, if that makes sense. So anyway, yeah, I honestly, I love it so much. It probably doesn't look 100% like the picture, but it does like how do I call it, suit me, like in a sense, like it's like the picture but it's just more personalized so that it suits me, that if that makes sense. Anyway, so now it's time to review the number 76 salon. So first of all, I don't think people need to watch this to know this number 76 salon's review, because it's like everywhere on the internet, right? So and honestly, even though it's not anywhere in the internet, a lot of people have been saying that number 76 salon is like really good, and I think I agree with that because honestly, like according to my experience, I do feel like everything is just so good. From the time when I was booking in there, sorry, there's a flight, okay. From the time that I book appointment in their website, it's super duper easy, it's very informational. It's like everything you want to know, it's already there in the website. So basically, you want to know the price, you want to know the hairstylist and their portfolio, their available time, and if you have any other remark, you can also do the same. It's everything is there, so the booking is super duper easy. As a UX designer, I feel like their website is really great. Like it's just so good. I mean, maybe the user interface is not that great, but user experience wise, it's really amazing. Like it literally fulfill a lot of like missing information that most of the, most of those kind of private salon booking website. I book at 2 p.m. and then I arrived there at literally at 2 p.m. So I do have to like wait a little bit because the stylist that I booked was occupied with something else. But I feel like that's kind of normal. This kind of stuff, these kind of services, it's like they would be like some things that come up, and then maybe some things are not finished according to the time, so they may have to drag the time and stuff like that. And so that's the reason why I feel like even though I need to wait a little bit, it's actually fine because it's normal. Like everywhere else, if you are booking services, this is kind of expected, to be honest. The stylist is also, I feel like he's, I don't know, because I book like the director stylist, but I still feel so maybe that's the reason why I feel like he's like very skilled and he knows his stuff. So what I mean by that is like, there are some people who are like, they can cut hair but they're not really good at it. But for him, is like he's really good at it and he definitely can cut hair. Like he definitely has the eye for hairstyle. So that's the reason why when he's cutting hair, and then he kind of take a look at the progress and everything, then he can adjust from there. So I do feel like it's really nice, and I also like the fact that he works very fast. So it's not that fast in terms of like, how some people are just doing things fast but they don't do it well, but he does things well and fast. So that's the reason I'm like so impressed, honestly. And he's also quite transparent as well, so which means that he did tell me that if I wanted to have this kind of hairstyle, I need to like style it a little bit, and if I don't style it, it's gonna be a little bit messy. Are you okay with that, and stuff like that? I don't know, to be honest, for me that's really good, that's really nice. I just feel like it's really nice that he told me that, so that I know exactly, oh okay, this is for me and this is not for me. So by the way, I forgot to mention that the stylist name is Lucas D. So if you guys are wondering, yeah, that's the stylist name. Sorry guys, sometimes you might be able to see my dirty laundry there. Just ignore that. Okay, back to the review of number 76. Anyway, so they do provide with the haircut service, they also provide hair wash, and they also provide the styling as well. In terms of the hair wash and stuff, I feel like it's normal. Like it's kind of like it's just like everywhere, to be honest. I can't really say that, oh, their hair wash is so good, you should go there and try it. It's like standard. It's like everywhere else. I feel like it's the same, because last time when I go to like a cheaper it's a lot cheaper cheap hair salon, like they kind of do the same thing, except that I feel like in number 76, the people who wash the hair, they're not as harsh as people in the the cheap hair salon. Sometimes in the people in the hair salon, they're so harsh, they literally pulling my hair and like scratching my scalp, but in number 76 they don't really do that. They're quite gentle when they're like handling my hair, so yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. And anyway, during pandemic you do have to wear masks, so yes, you do have to wear masks when you are having a haircut, you know, just to keep everyone safe. My haircut cost like 98 ringgit, so that's exactly what you're gonna pay. There's no extra charge at all. But of course, if you want to leave a tip to your hairstylist, it's really fine. And also, like for me, I'm a new customer. I have never been to number 76 salon before, and they give me a membership card, which actually has a pretty good deal anyway. Like they can give you the free treatment during your birthday month, and then you get a free trimming, free cutting your fringe and stuff like that. And if you have kids that is like 5 years or below that, you can have their haircut for free as well, so which is like really amazing, honestly. And they also give me like 20 ringgit voucher as well. So yeah, honestly, I feel like if you have never been to number 76 salon, I think you should really go there and try it, because if you're a first-time customer, there's a lot of like benefit and deals waiting for you. So I know I sound like really corporate, but I promise you guys, I am not paid by number 76, definitely not. Honestly, I'm speaking highly of them because I kind of like I really like the service. I really like the finishing, like how it turns out, everything. I feel like they know exactly like what I want and personalize it to be to suit me. Like that's all. I feel like it's really nice. I feel like I'm definitely gonna go back there again, like, you know, like for some kind of like a hair treatment or stuff like that. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice experience to just go there and have like my hair treatment. Or the next time when my hair is long again, which is like next year, then I'll definitely pay them another visit. So yeah, that's basically all my review for the number 76 salon, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this review. I hope you guys like my new hairstyle. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of my new hairstyle? Like, is it really good? Do you think it actually suit me or stuff like that? Honestly, I do feel like it looks very different, like the old me and the new me. The new me is, honestly, I do feel like the older version of me and the newer version of me, if that makes sense. It looks like the newer version of me like super duper different compared to last time, but I do feel like it's a very good kind of way. It's like a very positive kind of way. And yeah, definitely let me know how you guys think about my new hairstyle. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.